whangaru mai moa. Olo macam-macam mai sesi whapopong olo po kalame olo POPO MANO'O. Ia ni whangaru ni whai la tau olo o ni tata po kalame lunga olo pena te whai langi. Ala mai lunga Facebook, mala YouTube. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another edition of the only in-house game show in Samoa, POPO MANO'O, brought to you by your happy channel TV5. This is our 11th game. Today we have our two teams for today competing for their shot to progress into further rounds of POPO MANO'O. Your first team, Team Tropikal. Team Tropikal, can I have your first three reps up here? Thank you. We've got Nani, Rosie, and the big man Adrian representing their team for their toss-up rounds. And to my left side, we have Team Moni. All right, Team Moni here representing the left side. Leaders for our teams, Team Adrian and Nikolai. Before we start, we'd like to have a little exchange between the two team captains. So Nikolai, why don't you start us off, and do you have anything you want to say to the opposing team for today?
Best of luck.
Best of luck.
Good luck.
Do they need it? Would they need it? Would they need it?
They should have needed it when they came from
home. That one was crispy. Okay, Adrian, do you have anything you want to say to the opposing team?
Pack your bags.
Where are you going? Where are they going?
Home.
Alright, good stuff, team captains. Alright, your toss-up round is the same as it has been for the last 10 weeks. It's a race to the buzzer. The first team to press the buzzer and answer the question correctly is awarded with 10 points. However, if you answer the question incorrectly, the opposing team will have the chance to steal for 5 points. There are no penalties for incorrect answers, so best of luck and Godspeed with your hands. Alright. Your toss-up round starts like this. Your first question. Who were the first two apostles to follow Jesus? Team Moni.
Simon, Peter.
You were wrong at Simon. Alright, to steal for 5 points, Team Tropikal.
Peter and Joshua.
Also incorrect. The actual answer is Peter and Andrew. Peter and Andrew are the first two apostles to follow Jesus. Alright, no harm there. Your second question. Many questions, many chances to get points. The Tokelau Islands are comprised of what geological feature? Team Tropikal.
Coral Atoll.
Is correct. That is 10 points for Nani and her team. Alright, we've got points on the board now. Your third question for both our teams. Ole ala upu fa'aloalo, ole pisu. Team Moni. Classic. Ouch, alright, that's the timer. For Team Tropikal, steal for 5 points. Mind gone. Alright, that is both teams. You guys did not make it in time. The actual answer is Apapalangi. Apapalangi is the answer for that. If you didn't know, well, now you know. Your next question for POPO MANO'O team toss-up. What place did the Manu Samoa Sevens team finish at the Los Angeles Sevens last weekend? Team Moni. 12?
Yeah.
Is also incorrect. Alright, Team Tropikal.
The tournament or?
Yeah, the tournament. What place did the Manu Samoa Sevens team finish at the Los Angeles Sevens? Fourth is correct. That is another more points for Team Tropikal. Alright, the leaderboard is up here. Number 5. What modern day place is considered Zion? Was considered Zion. Rivers of Babylon. What modern day place is considered Zion? Team Moni.
April 17.
Babylon.
Babylon is incorrect. Sorry, I threw you up there. It's incorrect. Alright, to steal for 5 points. Team Tropikal, your goal. Zion in the Bible. Shoot your shot, guys. You guys have not on time. The answer is Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the answer for that question. Not looking too good for our teams in the toss-up rounds, but here's another question. If you add together every side, how many total dots are there on a dice? On one dice or a die? If you add together every side, how many total dots are there on one dice or a die? Team Tropikal.
21.
21 is correct. That is another 10 points for Team Tropikal. very dominant in our toss-up rounds. Your next toss-up questions for both of our teams. Who is Joseph Parker's next opponent on September 25th? 25th of September. Who is Joseph Parker boxing on the 25th of September? Oh, come on, guys. This is like, this is Samoa's champion, guys. That is time. No one has pressed the buzzer and no attempt to answer. The answer is Brit Joe Joyce. Come on, guys, Brit Joe Joyce. Don't you guys all know Brit Joe Joyce? Alright, your next question for Team Toss-Up. Which two rivers border Eden in modern day Iraq? Which two rivers border Eden in modern day Iraq? Two rivers border Eden in modern day Iraq.
Euphrates.
Have a go at it. That juicy fat buzzer. Just yes, Team Tropical.
Euphrates and...
Ouch. We do not offer half points here. Okay, Team Moni, the steal.
What she said. And the River Nile.
River Nile. A very good attempt, but also incomplete, or more or less incorrect. It's Tigris and Euphrates. Euphrates and Tigris. Good attempt. Very good attempt. Alright, your next question. We have 2 questions left for Team Toss-Up. An Olympic gold medal is made mostly of what metal? Team Moni.
Gold?
Oh yeah. Don't we all think it's gold? That's also incorrect. No, the medal is not made of gold. It's not mostly made of gold. An Olympic gold medal is also incorrect. That would be a lot cheaper than the actual medal. The medal is silver. The gold medal is 92% silver. If you didn't know, well there you have it. Alright, your last question for Team Toss-Up. For both of our teams, who is Samoa's first opponent at the Rugby Sevens World Cup?
Can you?
Is incorrect. Same region, but not Kenya. Kenya's neighbor. Yes, Team Moni.
South Africa.
Is also incorrect. Is Uganda. Uganda get this correct. Alright. Thank you very much for both our teams. We're gonna move into individual toss-up. Our first players, Nikolai and Rosie. Alright, are you guys ready? Nikolai, are you ready? Rosie, are you ready? Here you go. Here in the South Pacific, severe tropical storms are called cyclones. What are they called in the Northwest Pacific? Team Moni.
Typhoon.
Is correct, yes! First point on Team Moni's board. Thank you very much, Nikolai. Can we have our next individuals for individual toss-up? Coming back to redeem his team, Adrian and Nydia. See if she can put points on their board. Alright, your question is as follows. What is the only sport that's been played on the moon? Team Moni.
Football.
Is incorrect. Good attempt, but very incorrect to steal. Adrian for 5 points.
Baseball?
Is also incorrect. Involving the ball is the game? The game is golf. Golf is the only game that's been played on the moon. Thank you very much, Adrian and Nydia, for that very good attempt. Now to our last individuals, Enrico and Nani. Enrico and Nani, alright. This is your attempt at individual toss-up. On which day did God make the sun, the moon, and the stars? Team Moni.
First day.
First day
Yeah.
is incorrect. Thank you very much. Nani is one shy from the actual answer, which is incorrect. The answer is the 4th day. The 4th day. I thought you said Thursday. I mean, if you said Thursday, maybe. Okay, no points for anyone. Thank you very much for Enrico and Nani. We want to call on to our strongest link, the last individual to represent their teams, the strongest link from each team to represent their team. From Team Tropikal and Nikolai from Team Moni, if you can add more points for their team. This is your question. Approximately how old was Abraham when Isaac was born?
It's too many Bible questions.
Oh my gosh.
Too many Bible questions. Never enough Bible questions, everyone. Alright, Team Moni.
Does it have to be the exact age?
The range, we have a range.
Like 200 something?
200 is way over the range. But good attempt though. Alright, Team Tropikal, Rosie, to steal for your team.
105.
105. No, I'm sorry, I can't do that. The actual answer is 100. 100 is the answer. Sorry. Thank you very much, Rosie. Thank you very much, Nikolai. And that is the end of our toss-up rounds, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned for more fun and excitement. No. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen, with another round of POPO. It is Gaga. If you've been watching POPO for the past 10 weeks, you know exactly how this game goes. I have with me the object, and our first hiders will be Team Tropikal. Oksana, this is the object. Share it amongst yourselves and hide it the best you can. Team Moni, I have with me on my left. It's gonna take a while, so I'll tell you as a joke. So they're on this flight to go to New Zealand, and the Chinese man has all this money. He's a rich Chinese man, and he's with the Samoan. He's very bored on the plane, so then he proposes a game to the Samoan. And tells Samoan, you want to play a game with me? So I'm like, yeah, sick. And then he's like, okay, I'm gonna. Oh, why did you look at that?
Getting to the funny part.
Oh, there's the Samoan and the Chinese, but here we have Team Tropikal with their hiding. Team Moni, can you best them at this game? Nikolai.
Any hand?
Any hand, your choice.
Fourth one.
Fourth. Wait, this one? Adrian's hand. Alright, Adrian, your right hand. Oh, nothing there. Alright, Lydia, for your guess.
Nani's left.
Nani's left hand. Nani's left hand. Also incorrect. That is 2 guesses gone for your team. Enrico, can you save your team?
The second hand, first one.
This guy.
No, this one.
This guy.
Yeah.
This hand. Alright. Also nothing. That is 3 guesses down. Not looking too good for Team Moni and Gaga. Alright. Nikolai, just anything goes at this point.
It's the last one.
Increase your chances of winning. Also incorrect. You have 2 guesses to go. Nidia, if you can get this correct, you can quite possibly save your team. Stare them down. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is this your final choice? Anything goes, alright. No object! Oh my days! Alright, yes, please reveal it. There is the object. You guys are 6 guesses off. Alright. The only chance you have at winning 20 points is for them to also tie for 6 guesses off. Then we go into a decider. Gang, go. Wow done, Team Tropikal, for your. That was one of the best attempts that we've seen thus far. Alright. Team Moni, Nikolai, you guys do your business. I'm gonna finish the joke. No, he's in any team. Alright, where were we? Yes, so the Chinese man proposed. Did you guys hear the joke from there?
Keep going.
Keep going. You guys are watching on TV. Alright, so that's how the Chinese man proposes to Samoan. Alright, I'm gonna ask you a question, and if you get it incorrect, you owe me 5 tawa. And then after my turn, then Samoan will ask the Chinese man a question, and if he gets it incorrect, then he owes the Samoan 500 tawa. And then Samoan was like, oh, sick. Makaya. And then the Chinese man, the Chinese man tells the Samoan tells the Chinese man, oi, alam, amumola, oi, and then the Chinese is like, okay, Samoan, what is the distance between the Earth and the Moon? And then Samoan's like, oh, so, okay, there you go. And then he's like, and he hands him 5 tawa, and the Chinese man's like, oh, okay. And Samoan looks at the Chinese man, and he looks, and he wonders, and he ponders, and we have our team here ready with their attempt. Alright, Team Tropikal. Can you best Team Moni at their attempt or when you go into a gang and more decided? Ox.
Lydia's left hand.
Lydia's left hand. Incorrect. Adrian.
Can't remember for Enrico's Left hand.
Nico's left hand. Also incorrect. Nami.
Nikolai's right hand.
Nikolai's right hand. Oh no! There is no object there. Stare them down. Again.
Nikolai looks nervous. It's natural.
I will go with Nidia again.
Nidia. Your last hand. That is it. That's decided for Team Tropikal. All right, 20 points going by way of Team Tropikal through Gaga. And you'll see the end of the joke on TV. Thank you very much, everyone. This is Gaga, and we'll see you. We have more fun and excitement on the way on POPO. No. And we're back with another main round for MANO'O. This is one of my favorite rounds. We're going to show our contestants an object on the screen and they are to guess how much the object costs. If your guess is higher than the original price, then it becomes invalid. We take the closest guess below the actual price of the item. Only if the condition is where both teams guess above the actual price, then we take the closest guess above the actual price. This round is window shopping. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go window shopping. Your first item, both our teams, is a 3-pound island corned beef from Frankie's. 3-pound island corned beef from Frankie's. Just one can. Do you take into account where you are buying this from? The retailer? Frankie's. Frankie's is the shop and the product is a 3-pound island corned beef. I like a chunk of meat every now and then. Alright, that is the time. Time your markers down. I'm gonna advise our teams, if the time goes and you're still writing, you are penalized on the spot. But yes, your boards to the camera. Please, Team Tropikal, attempt how much? 20 tara. And Team Moni, 25 tara. Both very good attempts. The answer is 31 tara, 30 cents. That is 10 points for Team Moni. Is this signs of a comeback? Signs of a comeback within this round. All right, your second item is a 32-inch Aiwa Smart TV. 32-inch Aiwa Smart TV from BSL. BSL is the name of the retailer or the business selling the product, which is a 32-inch Aiwa Smart TV. What makes a TV smart?
32-inch.
No idea what's a smart TV.
And yes, hiding their answer. Time. You have, oh, no mark. Oh, and penalty. Team Tropikal, you do not have an attempt. You cannot. No, never mind. Yeah, penalized. All right, Team Moni, for your reveal your board. 899 tala. Yeah, that was a very good attempt because the price is 899 tala. That is 10 points for Team Moni. Good attempt. All right, well done to Team Moni. This is wow, the size of a comeback. Your third item is a pusa apa with 8 cans of tasi elengi from Frankie's. Pusa apa tasi. Pusa apa elengi. Tasi is the brand from Frankie's. Frankie's is the retailer or store you're buying the product from, which is a pusa apa with 8 tasi apas. Apa elengi. Apa elengi. Alright, so apa elengi. Pusa apa elengi with 8 cans. Alright, your markers down and your boards to the camera. Alright, and now, Team Tropikal. 35 tala. Alright, and Team Moni, 22 tala. The actual cost for this is 31 tala. That is points by way of Team Moni. Oh! Moni is on a roll for this round. Age favors the youth in this round. Okay, guys. That's the perks of this round. All right, your next item is JBL Extreme 3 portable speaker from BSL. BSL is a high quality product. A JBL Extreme 3 portable speaker from BSL. JBL Extreme 3 portable speaker. Extreme 3. Product line is the Extreme product line. It's a world-renowned brown brand, so you want to take into account. No, everybody does not have any of it today. All right, and that is our bell. Your markers down and your boards to our camera. Team Tropikal, 1,035 tala. Team Moni, 1,599 tala. Vast difference. The answer is 1,664 tala. Team Moni absolutely dominating this round. All right, that is 4 straight questions to Team Moni. All right, 2 items left for our window shopping. Your next item is 2-liter regular bleach from Frankie's. 2-liter regular bleach from Frankie's. Tuxie is a brand. 2 liters worth of bleach.
Really?
How much bleach do you really need? I know, right? That's the real question you should be asking.
Because they're gonna.
A lot of health hazards, but it does do the job quite well. Yes, that is the bell. Your mark is down, or else you're penalized. And to the board, both of our teams. All right, Team Tropikal with 15 tala, and Team Moni also with 15 tala. We're gonna have to run it again. Everyone rewrite a different answer.
What's next?
Or just a little advisory. That was a lot over the actual price. It's actually a lot lower than 15 tala. So take all that information if you can, because the time is up. All right, Team Tropikal. Let's show the camera. Team Tropikal, 9 tala. Team Moni also with 9 tala. You guys are gonna have to guess a little bit lower, but try again. Try again a little bit lower. Just in case Adrian is not in the mood to share anything today. All right, Team Tropikal 7 tala, and Team Moni just a little lower, 8 tala 20 cents. The actual answer is 6 tala. That is points by Team Tropikal. Well done. All right, your last item for window shopping for both our teams. Last item is sponsored by Ava Spa. Answering this question correct will award you as the individual or your team with an hour-long massage at Ava Spa. Have you been massaged before? If you haven't been to Ava Spa, then you probably haven't. Ava Spa, heavenly touch. Your answer, or your question, is a mobile phone 3-in-1 USB charging cable from BSL. A mobile phone 3-in-1 USB charging cable by BSL. You've got your lightning cable, your USB-C, and your mini USB. Very convenient. All 3 holes filled with this charging cable. No. What is that? Okay. Mark is down. Your board's up. Team Moni, can we have a look at you first? 15 tala. All right, Team Tropikal with 25 tala. The answer is 28 tala. That is your Team Tropikal. Good job. All right, well done, Team Tropikal. Good comeback at the end of window shopping, but that is it for our round of window shopping. We'll be back with more fun and excitement on POPO. back here to POPO MANO'O. This is your round 3, Charades. Charades has been played exactly how it has been played for centuries. Our first team to go up is Team Tropikal, and the first actor is Oksene. Oksene, nice to meet you, my man. Alright, you're gonna start our charades off today with your word. What's funny, bro? Alright, Oksene, there is no speaking. You are try to make like no noise. Try your best to not make any noise. You have a time limit to the point to where you can act, and your time starts in 5. Wait, Oksene's word is in English, and it is an action. It is in English, and it is an action. Alright, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Ox.
3.
Cooking.
Laundry.
Cooking.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Baby. Changing a baby.
What?
Diaper.
Changing a diaper.
Oh, that is correct. Thank you, Adrian, with the clutch. All right, good job, Ox. All right, you guys almost didn't make it, but got a 10. All right, thank you, Team Tropikal. Can we have Team Team Moni onto the stand with the first actor or actress ready? All right, and Aliko's gonna start us off. Okay, Aliko, make this a bit. Yes, sir. All right, thank you. Your word. Alright, we can do this. Alright, and Aliko's word is in Samoan. Fasamoa, o le mea tutu. Fasamoa, o mea o mea tutu. Alright, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The stage is yours.
50.
Nah, really. Keep moving.
Olha a faca.
Keep him coming.
Earthquake.
Fasamoa. Oh, no! Oh, Aliko, you must be very frustrated. Alright, can you announce your word for us, please? He's a love wheel! Oh! You said earthquake! Oh, got a 10. Very awkward. Thank you, Aliko. Thank you for your team, man. Alright, can we have back Team Tropikal for the second actor or actress? Alright, for Team Tropical's second actor, Adrian takes the stage. Adrian, this is your word. Yep. He's very, very confident look in Adrian's eyes. Alright, Adrian's word, Fasamoa o le mea ai. Fasamoa o le mea ai, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Bingaki.
It's correct, yes, thank you! Nani, what? That's Japanese for what, guys? Alright, thank you, Nani. And thank you, Team Tropikal, for a very fast and very, very nice attempt at charades. Alright, Team Moni, for your second attempt on charades. Team Moni, Nikolai takes the stage. Nikolai, your word. Is a good day for you today? Not really. Alright. Nikolai, upo Nikolai, e Fasamoa o le me faitino. Fasamoa o le me faitino. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Alemão.
Pulu. Fasimodi. Kaeli. Fasimodi Kaeli.
Purcaído.
It's correct, yes! yes! That is correct, thank you, Aliko. You are the clutch player of Team Moni. Good attempt, man. Very, very good stuff. Alright, Nani, the lovely Nani for their last attempt for charades. Okay, Nani. Oh. Put you in an awkward spot there, eh? Alright, Nani. Nani's word is in English, it is a sport. It is in English, it is a sport. Nani in 5, 4, 3, 2, what? Action.
Bowling.
Bowling.
Long bowling.
It's correct, yes! Nice one! Oh man, this is your game. Thank you, Nani. Thank you, Team Tropikal. All good attempts. Everyone got their points up. Alright, Team Moni, for your final attempt. Yes, we've got the lovely Nidia. Nidia, your word and your chance to earn 10 points for your team. Nidia, these 10 points heavily depend on you. Alright.
The confident look in her eyes. Nydia's word is in English and it is an activity. It is in English and it is an activity. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Swimming.
Swimming. Shark swimming.
Snorkeling. Fishing.
Fishing.
Spearing.
Spearing.
Fish spearing.
Fishing spearing?
Come on, man!
Spearfish? Spearfish.
That is 10 points for Team Moni. The word is spearfishing. Spearfishing is the word. Good sport to both our teams, alright? And that wraps up your charades round, ladies and gentlemen. Tune in once more for more rounds, more excitement. Here we have it, another round of POPO, MANO'O, your fourth main round for today. It is a bad translation. As you follow the show, you know exactly how this is played. Both our teams are aware of how it goes. Your first bad translation. To reassure someone of the experience of the group, one could say the boat is full of captains. The boat is full of captains. To reassure someone of the experience of the group, one could say the boat is full of captains. Someone proverb? Someone proverb, anyone? You want a bad translation? You want a bad translation? Yes, to reassure someone of the experience of the group, one could say the boat is full of captains. Someone proverb, is as far as I can go, and that is the time. Time is up. The answer is Uleva'a wa mafatautai. Uleva'a wa mafatautai. Alright. Alright, no point going back to that question. Our next bad translation. Miley Cyrus came in like Apollo Malepelepe. Team Tropikal.
Wrecking ball.
It's correct! So that is 10 points for your team. Nice, good attempt. Your third bad translation. Hunters may sometimes notice that not a pigeon is cooing. Not a pigeon is cooing. Bad translation, so try your best to not take it so literal. And it's a Salmon proverb. Hunters may sometimes... Team Moni is incorrect. To steal, 5 points, Team Tropikal. No better attempt. Right. The no teams awarded with any points, but the answer is Waleaise Manu'eolo. Waleaise Manu'eolo. That is. Alright. Everyone's having fun. Your next bad translation. Andy is all grown up, or is all grown up in the movie Tala o Mea Ta'alo Numero Tolu. Team Tropikal.
Toy Story 3.
It's correct! Yes. Oksene and your team. That is another 10 points for your tally. Your fifth bad translation. When brighter times are ahead, one could say dark clouds are backing away. Dark clouds are backing away. Another Salmon proverb. Keep in mind the game is called bad translation, so don't take it too literal, but maybe apply it a bit.
Can you repeat it?
When brighter times are ahead, one could say dark clouds are backing away.
I didn't study some verbs that...
Dark clouds are backing away. When brighter times are ahead, one could say. Ding, 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 ding. That is the bell for no attempt and no points awarded to either team. The answer is Solo Itua Nial Taulia. Solo Itua Nial Taulia.
Is that one?
Yeah, it's that one. Yes, it's that one. Alright. The last bad translation for both our teams. The last bad translation goes like this. Tavita Asang says, "Stay away from me" in his hit song Wanao Semiti. Team Tropikal.
Just a dream.
Just
Only
a dream is 10 points for your team. That is a very, very good attempt. And that is it. The conclusion of bad translation. Thank you very much to both our teams. We'll have you guys back again for more fun and more excitement on POPO MANO'O. Hey there, welcome back to another round of POPO MANO'O. The fifth round, just shy of our last round, which is Lightning Round. This round is Spelling Bee. Now before we start, I'm going to single out Rosie, are you a Vodafone or a Digicel user?
Vodafone.
Oh, then you are missing out on the fastest mobile network in Samoa with their Freedom Campaign going on right now. Digicel also is sponsoring your next question with 20 tala worth of credits for Digicel. So if you won this, would you get a Digicel SIM?
Yeah, sure. My husband is, so I'll give it to him.
Well, there you have it. There you have it. There's the balance within there. All right. Your first spelling bee for both our teams. Again, before we start, it's a race to the buzzer. So whoever buzzes first gets the chance to spell for 10 points. If you spell incorrectly, then the opposing team has the chance to spell for 5 points. Your first word, MANO'O. Team Tropikal.
Mo from Mafa'a, OPO, PO.
Isa, incorrect. All right, to steal this 20 tala worth of top up from Digicel and 5 points for your tally.
Mo Pamafa'a, Komaliu'o, PO, Komaliu'o, PO.
Is also incorrect. There are characters that shouldn't have been there. The actual answer is Mo from Mafa'a, OPO, OPO. No Komaliu anywhere to be seen. No teams awarded any points. Alright, we're gonna move this voucher to the second word. Nikolai, do you use Vodafone or Digicel?
Digi.
This is for you, my man. You got it. This is for you, my man. All right, your next word for spelling bee. Also on the line, a 20 tala worth of Digicel top up. The word is Antarctica. Team Moni.
Antarctica. Antarctica.
Isa. Incorrect. More or less incomplete. All right, Team Tropikal.
ANTARCTICA.
Is correct, and Adrian, this belongs to you. Thank you very much. Rosie. And that is also 5 points adding on to your tally because you stole those points. All right, your next word for spelling bee. Like it. Team Moni.
Like it. La Komaliu'i, ETE, ETE.
Is incorrect. Incorrect indeed. All right, to steal for 5 points again, Team Tropikal.
La Komaliu'i, TET.
Yes, that is correct. That is again 5 points for Team Tropikal. Well done. Good attempt, Ox. All right, your next word for spelling bee is Odyssey. Team Moni.
Oh. Odyssey. Sorry.
Go.
Oh, ODYSSEY.
It's 10 points for your team. Let's go, Lydia. All right, you have 2 words left for spelling bee. Your next word. Fa'aponiubi. Team Moni.
Fa'a, Komaliu'a, Ula,
It's another 10 points for your team. And Nico with the clutch again. All right, 1 word left to go. 1 word left to go to earn 10 points for your tally. Rhythm. Team Moni.
RHYTHM.
And Illegal, where have you been this whole time, man? That is again 10 points for your team, and that is it, the conclusion for your 5th round. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be heading over to the final round of POPO MANO'O, the decider for who goes home, not going to the next round, and who goes home, going to the next round of POPO MANO'O. We have Nikolai, Nidia, and Enrico for their attempt at Lightning Round. All right, instead of giving only Nikolai the opportunity, I'll give it to every single one of you. Nikolai, do you have anything you want to say to the opposing team?
Same thing I said before. Good luck.
Good luck, what a guy. All right, anything you want to say to the people watching from home? Thousands of people watching.
You know, keep coming to buy a vinyl and put my clippers so you can all of that.
Strategic marketing,
That's
guys.
great time.
Nisha, do you have anything you want to say to the people watching now?
All good.
All
Thank
good.
you for watching.
And Oligo, do you have anything you want to say to people at home?
Fine.
Alright.
I keep watching TV.
Always the quiet ones that are very dangerous. The very dangerous ones, alright? Oligo and Nikolai. Nikolai, you're the spokesperson, so I'll only be registering answers from you, Nivea and Enrico. Help where you can to best your chances of moving forward in the ball. Your first question: who has more land area, American Samoa or Tonga? True.
Tonga.
True or false? The martial art karate originates in China.
True.
How many strings does a violin have?
4.
What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan?
Think about.
During a storm, which will your senses perceive first, lightning or thunder?
Thunder.
What is the common English name for the octave flower?
Hibiscus.
Excluding Australia, what is the largest island in the world?
Greenland.
Which artist was living La Vida Loca in 1999?
Ricky Martin.
What does the slang term YOLO stand for?
You only live once.
Wala lang follow all those fucking.
Pass.
What are the first 3 digits of the mathematical constant pi?
3.14.
Which Asian capital used to be called Peking?
Beijing.
Which Disney character sings How Far I'll Go?
Elsa.
Thank you very much, Nikolai, Nivea, and Enrico, for your attempt at Lightning Round. We'll see you guys again when we tally up the points. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back. Adrian, do you have anything you want to say to the opposing team and to the fans at home?
To the opposing team, it was nice knowing you. And to the fans at home, thank you for continuing to support POPO MANO'O so we could be here. So yeah.
Alright, Oksana, do you have anything you want to say?
Nothing at all, but just to say something about the opposing team. Thank you for the competition. It was fun. And for everyone at home, thank you for watching POPO MANO'O and keeping the program going so we can go on it.
Yes, sir. Alright, and Nani.
Thank you to all the fans of this show, because we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys, and also thank you to POPO MANO'O for having us.
Well, there you have it, Samoa. Now, your attempt at Lightning Round. Question number 1. Who has more land area, American Samoa or Tonga?
Tonga.
True or false? The martial art karate originates in China.
False.
How many strings does a violin have?
4.
What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan?
Tinkerbell.
During a storm, which will your senses perceive first, lightning or thunder?
Thunder, lightning.
What is the common English name for the octave flower?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
Excluding Australia, what is the largest island in the world?
Iceland.
Which artist was living La Vida Loca in 1999?
Pass.
Pass.
What does the slang term YOLO stand for?
You only live once.
You only live once.
Olaro Bufalo Alo Lefai.
Pass. Pass.
What are the first 3 digits of the mathematical constant pi?
3.14.
Which Asian capital used to be called Peking?
Pass. Pass.
Which Disney character sings How Far I'll Go?
Moana.
How many US standard teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
Pass.
And that is time. That is time, Adrian, Oksana, and Nani, for your attempt at Lightning Round. We'll see you again. And welcome back for the last time for our teams here. Thank you very much to both of our teams for participating in do understand that the winner of this round will progress into further rounds of PPM World. The losing team will have to wait until the end of the first round so we can see if you made the list for the top 4 losing teams to progress into the further rounds of PPM. Without further ado, I'll lay out your points. Team Moni, you amounted 190 points for your final tally. Get a round of applause, please. And Team Tropikal, with 215 points to take the win for today's POPO round. Well done to Rose and the team. Also, great attempt by Nidia and the team for their attempt at PPM. Rose and the team, you guys are progressing into further rounds of PPM. Team Moni, don't feel downhearted. We do have till the end of the round to inform everyone for who's going to progress into further rounds. But yes, that is it from me. They will tell it Tamati. I say jokes and I feel nervous. And this is POPO. Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, this is Lewa Teleta Mati and you are watching TV5's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss out on any amazing and fun content here on TV5. Other than that, you can click on this left box here to watch more episodes of POPO MANO'O, or down here to take you straight to our YouTube channel to check out more content. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching.